Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Deonna. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, thanks for coming back to another video. Today I'm coming to you guys with a hair review video in partnership and collaboration with Yolova hair. I just want to say thank you guys for sending this unit over to me. I am obsessed, and I'm going to just be showing you guys me right now unboxing the unit and installing later on. So this is just everything it comes with. I love these tweezers. Okay, y'all, so that was pretty much just an overall unboxing of how the packaging comes. It comes really cute. I love this iridescent silver packaging. That is like so freaking cute. It just comes with your unit, of course, and then of course it comes with a couple extras. I love the fact that it comes with a pair of sturdy tweezers because you definitely need those when applying a wig. And I love the fact that it comes with wig caps, of course, because you always need those, and I'm gonna have to use one of those today. So this is the wig. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to install this. So off the rip, this is my first initial review, you guys. So I take the little net off here. So I did get the Jerry Curl, a Jerry Curl frontal unit. So that is very different for me. This is how it looks, like this. Comes with the combs, pretty standard. And I do see it looks like the knots really don't even need to be bleached, and that it's already pretty much pre-plucked. So let me show you guys that. That's how it looks. So I could definitely do a little bit more plucking, but it's definitely beginner friendly. This is the unit. The hair feels super duper soft. You see it's nice and shiny and bouncy. It smells good. As you guys can see, this is really soft and shiny hair. So I'm super excited to install this. So off the rip, it looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves prepped, and I'll show you guys, and you guys can watch how I'm gonna install this. So yeah, y'all, here we go. guys, so this is the final look of the hair, and I am obsessed with it, you guys. I absolutely love the hair. I think it's beautiful. The hair texture is bomb. It's super duper soft. I put gel and everything on it, and it dries really, really quickly. It doesn't dry hard at all. It's super duper soft, and I just love it, you guys. I absolutely am obsessed with it. I had very minimal shedding. I did try to do baby hairs, but I'm really not a baby hair kind of person. I'd rather kind of just be a little bit more like this. My final thoughts on this hair is that I absolutely love it, you guys. Do not run over to their website if you're looking for a new beginner-friendly unit. I didn't have to do any plucking really with this unit. It was already pre-plucked. I didn't need to bleach the knots. It looked really good and natural. It's very beginner-friendly, I think. And the hair is beautiful and great quality. So I definitely think you guys should run over and try it out. I'll leave my discount code along the screen as well as down in the description box if you guys are interested in trying out. I would really appreciate if you guys use my discount code. And I thank you guys, big thank you to Yolova hair, you guys. I love this unit and I look forward to working with you guys hopefully in the future, but I absolutely love this hair. Thank you guys so much for working with me on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about this hair on me. I love a good curly hair, but they have tons of different textures if you're not looking for curly right now. I am absolutely obsessed, you guys. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.